Happy Republic Day to all. Are you a girl child? And did you come across things like, no, beta, you're a girl child. You cannot go for higher studies. You're a girl child. You cannot do a job. You are a female. You cannot run a business. You are a female or a girl child. You cannot join armed force. Did you ever come across something like this? When you were a child or you wanted to study further, you wanted to pursue your career. Yeah, in India, many girls sacrifice their studies, their career, their dreams, their passion because they are a girl child. And it is so unfair to them because male child or the boys of the house are given those exact opportunities which are not given to a girl child. And today, while I was watching the parade in Delhi for our Republic Day, I was feeling so proud that Indian women are not only leading the armed forces on land, but they have acquired space even in the Air Force. And even when the bike rally was displayed, I was so happy to see women performing those stunts for the very first time. What does this show? That India is changing. Society is slowly changing, though yes, there are families where females are not given those equal rights, equal opportunities, equal education, equal career options. But yes, if you are a female listening to this, please urge your parents that now the time has come that they need to leave the old mentality, leave the old culture, leave the old thought process that females are less talented, females cannot handle pressure, females cannot hold an important position in their office or in armed forces or anywhere across industry. And if you are a parent of a girl child, then make sure you provide that platform to that girl who is having a dream, who is having a passion to perform something and prove that yes, even she can make you feel proud equally or even more than the sun. Let's drop this old mentality right here, today and now, that going forward, we as a society will be giving equal opportunities to our girl child, be it education, be it profession, be it family business, be it any other career that she wants to choose, any other hobby which she wants to choose. Let's not stop their dreams, let's not cut their wings. And that also of your child. She is your child, a part of your DNA, a part of your blood. Then why stop her? So a shout out to all the females who really want to change this very thought process of the society which was old and which is changing. Let's come together. Let's start with standing for our own self, raise the voice, show the society that we can do it. And this is exactly what I'm doing. I'm trying to empower all the ladies, all the females, all the women of India to stand on their own feet, have their own financial standing, control their own money, and even build more money or attract more money into their life and show their families and the world that yes, you can do it. A salute to all the women of India.